If you had known this earlier, your tomatoes could be producing even double the yield. Most people never realize where they're going wrong, so year after year, they end up with the same average results. The real difference doesn't come from expensive fertilizers, but from one smart combination that activates the plant from within. It's not about quantity, it's about how you activate both the soil and the roots at the same time. And there's one detail most people skip, and that's exactly why they never see the full potential of their tomatoes. So stay until the end, because one ingredient is rarely used, and that's where the difference between average and outstanding harvest really happens. Let's start with the base that triggers the whole process. In 500 milliliters of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast is full of active microorganisms that stimulate root development and speed up plant growth. Once activated, it literally brings the soil to life and allows tomatoes to absorb nutrients much more efficiently. When I first used it, the difference in growth was noticeable faster than I expected. But here's the part many people underestimate, and that's why they don't see the full effect. Add half a tablespoon of organic honey. Honey feeds the yeast and helps the activation process happen faster and stronger. At the same time, it creates a richer microbial environment in the soil, which directly helps tomatoes grow healthier and more stable. If you skip this, the whole mixture loses a big part of its power. And now we come to the ingredient that changes everything. This is the part almost nobody uses, yet it gives this mixture its real strength. Add worm castings. They are extremely rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that improve soil structure. Tomatoes love them because they provide a steady source of nutrition and make the plants more resistant to stress, drought, and temperature changes. When I saw how much stronger and darker the plants became, I honestly thought I had measured something wrong. Finally, if you want extra protection, you can add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic acts as a natural defense against pests and diseases that commonly attack tomatoes. It helps the plant stay healthy without chemicals and further strengthens its immunity throughout the season. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours so the ingredients can combine. Then strain it and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. Water your tomatoes every 2 weeks, about 200 milliliters per plant, directly into the soil. After a few weeks, the difference becomes obvious, but the real shock comes when the tomatoes start producing fruit. The fruits are bigger, firmer, and come in clusters instead of individually. That's when you realize why I never skip this mixture anymore. Before we finish, write in the comments what you use for your tomatoes and whether you've tried something similar. If you want more proven tips like this, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more simple but powerful solutions.